Tesla Pickleball Paddle Review, Legit Collab or Overhyped Gear? Honest 2025 Test. Most people get this wrong by assuming that every tech-branded sports accessory performs exceptionally. The surprising truth is that the Tesla Pickleball Paddle delivers decent performance, but hype may exceed practical value. Paddle features a sleek design with premium materials, offering a lightweight and balanced feel. You won't believe how comfortable it is for casual play, with good grip and responsive hitting. Some users note that spin and control are solid for recreational use. However, performance at competitive levels may not match specialized paddles designed strictly for pro players. Atari or tech gimmicks advertised in marketing are minimal, so the paddle is primarily about aesthetics and brand appeal. The surprising truth is that branding doesn't guarantee superior sports performance. In conclusion, the Tesla Pickleball Paddle is legit for casual players and collectors who value design and comfort. Approach expectations realistically, enjoy the stylish feel, but don't expect it to outperform top-tier professional paddles. Focus on recreational fun and brand pride rather than competitive advantage.